Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, guys, I'm going to take a look at DWAC, but you know what? This is more about my scan that I'm loving, and I cannot wait for earnings season to start. We're getting into full force next week. DWAC is the first one that happened, 2414. Okay, 2414 was the alert. Sorry, guys, when I'm doing this, there we 2414, you can see the blue arrow right there. Now, I'm not saying this was the easiest one to hold on to because it was certainly choppy, but from 2414, depending on how many shares you took and how you were able to hold on to some of them anyway, that got up to 2873. The other one, and again, I can't really click on it. I'll try. I'm going to click on the PRQR, see how quickly I can move this. See, when I'm doing a video, guys, it just takes so long. But look at the PRQR, 289, that got up to 329, and even this one late, EOLS, the alert was at 1247. I'm looking at it right now at 1257. So you want this scan, come into the room. This is an awesome scan. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening.